Is your PS3 reading DVDs but refusing to play your games? Don't worry. This is a super common issue, and I'll show you exactly how to fix it fast. Welcome back to TechVibes, your go-to place for quick and reliable tech fixes. Here's what's going on. Your PS3 actually uses different laser lenses to read DVDs and Blu-ray game discs. So if DVDs work but games don't, it usually means the Blu-ray laser is weak, dirty, or failing. Sometimes it's also a software glitch or drive alignment issue. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Clean the disc and try multiple games. Start simple. Take your game discs and clean them with a microfiber cloth. Try at least 2 or 3 different games. If none of them work but DVDs still do, we know the issue is inside the console, not the discs. Step 2. Reset the PS3 system settings. Turn off your PS3 completely. Hold the power button until it turns on and off again. Then press and hold it again until you hear 2 quick beeps. This opens safe mode. Connect your controller and choose Restore Default Settings. This won't delete your data, but can fix system glitches affecting the drive. Step 3. Rebuild the database. Stay in safe mode and select Rebuild Database. This reorganizes your system files and can fix issues where games aren't being detected. It might take a few minutes, but it's worth it. Step 4. Clean the Blu-ray lens manually. If the problem continues, the Blu-ray lens is likely dirty. You can use a lens cleaning disc, but for better results, open the console carefully and clean the lens with a cotton swab and a tiny bit of isopropyl alcohol. Be gentle. This step alone fixes a lot of cases. Step 5. Replace the Blu-ray laser. If nothing works so far, the Blu-ray laser is probably worn out. This is very common in older PS3 units. You can buy a replacement laser online for cheap. Open the console, remove the Blu-ray drive, and swap the laser. It sounds advanced, but there are many guides online and it's much cheaper than replacing the whole console. Pro tip: before replacing anything, check if your PS3 makes clicking or spinning noises when inserting a game. If it does, the drive is trying to read but failing, which confirms it's a laser issue. Also, avoid cheap scratch discs. They can make the problem worse over time. And that's it. One of these methods will get your PS3 reading games again. If you run into any problems, drop a comment below. I reply within 1 hour and will help you fix it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more quick tech fixes. You've got this. Let's get your PS3 back in the game.